You have probably seen a faceless TikTok shorts with calm voice, clean visuals, smooth storytelling, and wondering how are people making this? Check this out. Each person have let us refresh, have 40,000 followers, and the popular videos have 7.4 million views with a lot of like and save. Imagine this can be yours. Let us check another TikTok profile. This person have over 100,777 followers, and the oldest and the popular videos have 3.2 million views, 1.4 million views, like that, with a lot of like and save. I have another channel. This is a proof that this thing is actually working, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can automate it. We have this one, which is based on the Shelby. Okay, let us check the one with the popular 4.2 million, as you can see. So imagine we can just create the video one. What these people are doing is get a single video and put a quote on the front. So let us check this one. And this video are just 13 seconds long, 20 seconds long. See, sometimes I know if you are tired, okay, of creating this thing your own, like going to ChatGPT, getting code and use these videos, then if you feel overwhelmed with editing, you don't like to show your face, if you feel like you are stuck trying to post consistently, or you are juggling from multiple tools, wasting hours doing repetitive tasks, this course give you kind of a solution, a system. And we are going to show you how you can use n8n and open source tools to build one-click video generator, a system that finds content, okay, create a voice, run videos, and join it together, and also even caption it for you. Okay, so you are going to learn how to use tools like FFmpeg, Base0, Mini.io, AI-generated speech. These tools are for free. You don't have to pay for this thing. With this course, here is an example of videos I'm talking about and upload on YouTube. See. Let me, there it goes. Let's do another one. So these are the videos. So if you want to create a video like this without even trying, then this system is built for you. See, the system you build doesn't just create videos, it optimize them. You will automate everything yourself. And by the end of this video, you are going to be able to source and prepare your content without manual input. You are going to be able to convert that your text into a professional voice. You listen to the voice. Let us hear the voice again. Hear this voice again. When you're not. Okay, let's go here. When you're not. Let's start from the beginning. When you're not. You're a prism turning ordinary light into extraordinary rainbows. So this is what I'm talking about. It's going to add the text on it. It's even going to generate, I don't think this thing generates in metadata, but I think the one that I use generates in metadata for us. So you don't want to miss out. This is just another course. This course is the pathway for consistent success you want to do on TikTok, on YouTube. So stop letting manual video creation limit your potential. Okay? While others are spending hours on the single videos, you can generate multiple videos at once based on the channel or the social media limits. Okay? The YouTube or the TikTok reward consistently about everything. And this is going to give you the technical foundation to maintain a consistency without burning out or sacrificing yourself. So this is one of the best automation and video creation system that awaits you. Every day today is another day for your potential audience. Okay? Discover your competitors instead. So you don't want to miss out on this. Open on this course right now. This is for you if you want to actually make it. How does n8n works? We have told you that n8n is a powerful and open source workflow automation tool that enables you to connect to various applications and automate tasks extensive coding knowledge. And here is how it works. Number one, we have what we call notes. And these are building blocks of workflow, like these. Okay, these are building blocks of workflow. These are nodes. We call all of these nodes. Okay, and each node performs a specific task, such as sending an email, fetching the data from API, or transforming data. Just like when I start this, you get all my videos, get all my music, get the codes. I can get the videos, activate the music, generate names, generate paths, and workflows, which is the second one. We'll talk about the first one, which is the node. The second one is the workflow. The workflow is a series of connected nodes that define the sequence automatic tasks. So this is what we call the workflow. So let me show you the simple workflow now. This is a simple workflow, not like that simple workflow because this workflow has a brain. Okay, the simple workflow is let's say we just go here from these get these AI agents and change this one to low and select the chat module. So I select GPT. What else do we do? This is a simple workflow. Okay, so I select a chat trigger. Yes, move this thing to a chat trigger. And just you are an expert when it comes to roasting. So what we are going to do now is let me go here, system message. I'm going to turn this to system message. Okay. So first thing, just show you how it works, how does our workflow works. Okay. So I'm going to firstly start from here. So I'm going to type hello just to get a response. So I can use it for my AI agents. Okay, let's see. So just connect, yeah. And now let's test this. Hello. So, like I said, this is how it works. This is just a simple workflow. You prompt it and it gives you some answer right here. Okay? So let's see the answer that is going to give you based on or the time of each workflow. So you can see, you want to be listed, the voice of a car, because I want to turn it up like nothing, like a remote person. So this is what I'm talking about. This is just a free workflow. And they have what we call a trigger. So trigger, this means you should workflow based on specific events like receiving email entry. So this is the trigger, like this is just the trigger. And we have different type of trigger, okay? We have this is that we use trigger, we have the manual trigger, the trigger on events, the schedule trigger, the open of book, and form of solution. We also have the execute that another workflow, that is the workflow done workflow. We have on chat, we have on, so this is when you receive a message and you want to prompt it. I can connect this into my Telegram account. Whenever I message it, it's going to return the reply to Telegram. That is where I can build a Telegram type of this simple workflow. Now we have what we call an action. After the trigger is activated, okay, you need to carry out tasks such as data processing and sending notification or updating the code for the application. So when I input hello, send it to the AI agent and AI agent return information data process it and return an information back to me. So this is how it works. So like I said, data moves to workflow as an array of JSON objects. Okay, and each node processes the incoming data and that's the result through the next node. Just like this, process incoming data, pass to through another node. You have this one. This is the brain, and this is the AI tool. This is the AI model, and this is the brain. And I want to use because we can connect to multiple things by mode, okay? And this structure allows for complex data manipulation through and across various services, okay? So, creating a workflow, now we want to create a workflow. We want to create a workflow, we just want to add a trigger. Okay, as I said, this is a trigger. So I'm going to delete this again, and let us run it again. So we want to create a workflow is simply, what we have to do is to creating the trigger. What kind of trigger do you like to create? Is it a manual trigger, which you will run when you click on the button? I think we have the explanation by there. Or the one on schedule that we want to be running every day, every hour, or workbook, which you can receive using HTTP request or the forms, which resolve field form is going to respond. Or when executed by another workflow finish, you are going to get or on chat or others will. So for me, let's select the chat for now. So the thing is when you chat this thing, there is content. So when you chat this thing, you want you to bring some of this. So this is a trigger node, and they are what we call an action node. Okay, this is an action node that transferred the flow of data. So as you can see, we have the action app like the DVC and everything like that. So just want to do the simple AI agent like I said. So the reason why I'm using this is I'm unable to pay for I'm unable to pay for the OpenPay. Then I tried to put this in, set my card, and I didn't use OpenAuta sometimes. I use this thing. I use Google Gemini. Okay, so now these are simple workflow. This is the trigger, and this is the action loop. This one will trigger, and this one is going to take an action, and it's going to execute. And once your workflow is set up, you can execute it manually for texting or activities to run automatically based on the trigger. Okay? I want you to work to be running every 1 hour. Okay, whenever I save this message, I will like this thing to wait for 2 seconds for you can receive the message. I can do it like writing the timing to it. Okay, putting the timing, save it back. Okay, so let me just wipe the wait with this. So you know you have to wait to it. So just for 5 seconds. So let me just write this on and boom, chaka boom. So this is an AI agent because I'm just going to define below, add the system message and send it back to chat mode. We are not an equal assistance, but we are resting when it comes to us. So let us forward this chat and say, here's me, like quickly. So let's try to do something. So it's going to wait for 5 seconds before you send that information to this thing. Okay, so after you send that information, it's going to process it and send it back. Let us see the work that this thing is doing in background. So as you can see, it's executing the node. So this is the chat input. This is a JSON format. Okay, this is the JSON file. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the result, and the result is beside this box. Oh, switch so much the work right into the mouth like that. So you got confidence of reading mind. So that is it when it comes to workflow. The reason why I love workflow is that I have the anytime support like over 350 integration allow for custom APIs. Like to add an API, you can easily have this. You can build an app with this. And the thing about this thing is that it's an open source because I'm running this thing on my can see this is one of the URL and this is one of my Docker server. Both have their own advantage and disadvantages, okay? When it comes to understand when it comes to preparation and the community support, they are very, very vital. Community are very, very vital. If you go to your community, if you have any error, they are going to reply to you. And by logging in anything, you can streamline these repeating tasks, integrate systems, and with activities without times. Change the logs and countless of APIs, and I even add a lot of I add a lot of API workflow on my PC. I build an API directories for most of this video. Okay. So everything, and I will talk all I'm thinking about is how to automate tasks, how to automate tasks, how to automate tasks. They say this word that man says, this is the word, this is the adverb for these people, they are not to this is the job. So this is the way. If you are lazy, this is where you can do the job. Thanks for watching and to having stay. Let's meet in next model. I'll be to the Lord.